I'm working for especially one factory, the so-called Steinil factory, and that is owned by DSM. In the last case, I saw that TrendMiner is even helpful by get a root cause analysis done in different ways actually. So yeah, that was very opening my eyes for using TrendMiner even for root cause analysis. Of course, we do have a lot of data with our IP21 system, and we are used working with Six Sigma tools and with other tools as well. But TrendMiner is more or less a combination of all those systems actually. And for that reason, I think that TrendMiner is pretty fast. If you have the data already kept in your system, then you can make in a very quick movement similarities and other steps, and to look for what you're looking for. And sometimes it's only 60 seconds and you have your proof of what you're looking for. So, and in that way is TrendMiner good and better than the other systems, I guess.